Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your baby girl Mama. What's up? In today's video I'm going to share with you how to make the most delicious spaghetti, and if you want to know how to achieve it, stay tuned to the end of this video. So to begin, I'm going to start by seasoning my meat, and I'm using chicken for this recipe. So I will first of all add my black pepper, paprika, then I will go in with ginger powder and garlic powder. Next is to add in my kitchen glory seasoning. After then, I will add my aroma chicken seasoning, and I'm going to add in some little amount of thyme, which is optional. Yeah, at this moment you just have to season it with any seasonings of your choice. Then after then, you just add a little bit of oil. If you are not frying it, you can as well fry it if you want, but I skipped when I added my oil. I'm very sorry about that. I was distracted, so I forgot that I was making video. So next is to add it in my air fryer and start frying it. Yes guys, so continue watching. Next is to wash my red paprika, fresh red paprika. Yes guys, after washing it, I'm going to blend it with some fresh onions and tomatoes with fresh pepper. So take note guys, I'm going to put all the things I use in the description box of this video, so keep watching. At this moment, I'm going to add in my fresh tomato. Yeah, as you can see, here is the fresh tomatoes I use. Okay, so right now I'm going to go ahead and blend everything together. So next, I'm going to go ahead and wash my bell peppers with onions. As I'm washing my bell peppers, my hot water is on the fire boiling. So the next is to just add in a little bit of salt. At this moment, just go ahead and add the amount of salt you need to parboil the spaghetti. Yes guys, then you just add in your spaghetti inside the hot water. For me, I don't like to boil my spaghetti like the full. I like cutting mine, that's just the truth. I don't like it so long, as in very long like that. I don't just like it. So it's optional if you want. Some people, they just put it inside hot water and start boiling it. As for me, I just prefer to cut mine into two before I start boiling it. So that is it guys. So right now I'm going to go ahead and cut my bell peppers. As you can see, so guys, at this moment I'm done cutting my bell peppers. Right now we are going to go ahead and check our spaghetti. So right now the spaghetti is ready. I'm going to filter the water and step it aside. Next is to add a pot on the fire. Next is to go ahead and add the amount of cooking oil I need. After then, I will add in my thyme, then a little Maggie seasoning just to season the oil, then give it a good stir. After giving it a good stir, I'm going to go ahead and add my chopped onions and fry it for like 1 minute. After then, I'm going to go ahead and add my tomato paste. And make sure I give it a good stir. Next is to add some amount of curry powder and give it a good stir. After then, I'm going to leave it to fry for like 3 to 5 minutes. Then after then, I'm going to add in my blended tomatoes and onions. So keep watching, guys. So right now it's up to 5 minutes frying the tomato paste. I'm going to go ahead and add in the blended tomatoes. Next is to let it fry for 5 minutes. At this stage, guys, you just have to make sure you're adding your Maggie seasoning, your salt, any seasonings of your choice. I was distracted in this video. That was why I forgot to show when I was adding my Maggie seasoning and salt. So please take note of that. I'm sorry for skipping it. So the next is to add in my boiled spaghetti. And this moment, I'm going to give it a good stir. I'm going to make sure that all the sauce are well mixed. So keep watching. At this moment, if you are watching me for the first time, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share it to your friends. If you have any question, don't forget to drop it at the comment section down below. And if you are my OG returning subscribers, thank you so much. I see you. I really appreciate. And please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. So at this moment, I'm going to go ahead and add my chopped bell peppers inside and give it a good stir. At this stage, after giving it a good stir, I'm going to go ahead and add the meat I fried on the air fryer and still give it a good stir. Then our spaghetti is ready. You can see how yummy and delicious it's looking. Oh my goodness, guys, if you haven't tried this recipe, please give it a try, and a trial will convince you. Yeah, guys, I believe I've come to the end of this video. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to like, share your thoughts at the comment section down below. Please don't forget to check out my other videos. There will be an end stream that will pop out at the end part of this video. So guys, see you in my next upcoming video, because as of now I am out. Ciao, bye.
Yo.